Great, man.
Hey, Classic Connection.
Yeah,
Classic Connection. Hey, what are your thoughts on winning the NWA Western States titles?
What are our thoughts? Our thoughts on the Western States title? You know what? What better way to represent the NWA Western States title than to visit an historic landmark of Southern California, Six Flags Magic Mountain. And you know, if I learned anything from being here today, all day with my good pal Levi Shapiro on his birthday.
That's right.
It's, you know what, with all those loop-de-loop rides and all the new fancy stuff they got going here with all the big drops and all that in flashy colors, the ride with the longest line is the oldest ride in the park, the Colossus. Although there's some new added interest in it being Twisted Colossus, no different than the Classic Connection. What's old is new again. Just a little 21st century flair. Tell them, Levi.
That's right, Bond Dooms. We've got one thing to say to you, and we're going to keep it sweet, we're going to keep it short, and we're going to keep it simple. Classic Connection, we're the best tag team on the west of the Mississippi today. We are the Western States Tag Team Champions, and it's going to stay that way for a long, long time. So boys, pack your lunches and get on the roller coasters, because Classic Connection, we're staying champions, baby. Let's get on the tour bus.
One loop to the next.